Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crush channel. So today we are going to see a beginner-friendly lead code problem called Contains Duplicate. So this is a favorite question for the interviewers for the initial round. So basically this problem has three sets of solution. We'll see one by one on how it is better than one another. So if you see the input, we basically need to find the duplicate numbers. So here in the first example, you see 1, 2, 3, 1, and 1 is repeated twice, so it contains duplicate. So we return a boolean true. And if input array doesn't contain any duplicate, we return false. So as simple as that. So to start with the brute force approach, we go over the array twice. We have two for loops over here, and each time we check the first index compared with the index I plus 1 and see if those numbers are equal or not. If it is equal, we'll return true. Otherwise, we'll return false. So as expected, this doesn't work for larger inputs, and its time complexity is big O of n square. So Leetcode also doesn't accept this solution. So and another best approach for this is to sort the array first. So when you sort it, all the numbers will be in the ascending order. So you can easily compare its adjacent number and get to know whether those are equal or not. So the time complexity for this solution is we go of log n into n. So this solution works better compared to the previous brute force approach, and its response time is around 20 milliseconds. And the best approach for this trading the time and the space complexity is to use the hash set. So when you use a hash set, the space complexity increases from big O of 1 to big O of n, where n is the number of integers you get in the response. And since set only accepts unique characters in it, we can always see whether we already visited this number or not. If we visited that number, we'll return 2, and then or else we'll simply add the number to the set. And by default, we return false in the end. So its runtime is around 13 milliseconds, and it beats 88% of the users, and it's the best solution available for this problem. Thank you.